Now we are going to see, this is very important 5-mark question, Van de Graaff generator. The scientist Robert Van de Graaff designed the machine in 1929, which this machine produces large amount of electrostatic potential difference. Electrostatic potential difference up to several million volts, 10 power 7 volts. It is working based on the principle of electrostatic induction and action of points. So the principle is electrostatic induction and action of points, that is coronary charge. We already learned. See, this is one hollow spherical sphere. It should be fixed in this insulating plate. This is insulating plate. Okay, there will be two pulleys here. One pulley is B, another one pulley is C. Okay, the pulley B is mounted on the center of this hollow sphere, and another one pulley C is mounted at the bottom. So see, this is one belt. It is made up of rubber or silk, runs over the both pulleys B and C. Okay, the pulley C is driven by using electric motor. It should be driven by using electric motor. Here there will be two comb is there. The comb, this is called E, is called D comb. Okay, so E comb is fixed near the pulleys B, D comb is fixed near the pulley C. Okay, this comb D is maintained with one potential, positive potential. It's connected with one positive potential, the power of 10 power 4 volt by applying power supply. The upper comb is connected to the inner side of this metal sphere. Okay, see, in comb D, high positive voltage is accumulated. So here see, air is in between the comb D and this belt. So I can draw here for your understanding. So this is comb, so this is belt, comb D. Okay, see, in between comb D and belt there is some, here air is there. Okay, if positive charge is accumulated when we are applying battery, high electric field is created. Okay, in this place. So the air in between comb D and this plate gets ionized. Okay, so that is, we can write. So here so the negative charge are attracted towards the comb, here negative charge, and the positive charges are pushed to the belt here. What is ionization means? Charge separation here. Okay, the positive charge are moved towards the belt when pulley is rotated with the help of electric motor. Okay, the positive charges are stick with the belt and they move to the direction of upper direction and reaches the sphere. It reaches the sphere. Okay, this is the direction of this pulley. Okay, and after it reaches the comb, this comb E, the electrostatic induction will be takes place this place. Electrostatic induction. Okay, what is electrostatic induction? I can draw here. This is comb E. This is the belt and pulley B. Okay, here what is that? Electrostatic induction takes place. That means there will be charge separation takes place. Charge separation means here positive charge. So due to positive charge, here negative charge is created. So due to this negative charge, positive charge are pushed to this positive charge, creating positive charge are pushed to the, what is this metallic sphere and distributed in the spheres. Okay, here this in between comb E and B, it should be neutralized. Okay, so no charge in the belt. Here charge is neutralized, so here no charge in the belt. Okay, why here it is neutralized? Due to corona discharge. Okay, so only here we see no positive charge is created. Okay, so here only the charges are created. Now the charges are created and it will be moved to the sphere in the comb E. What will happen? Corona discharge takes place and the positive charges are placed in the metallic sphere. This process is continue again and again. So more number of positive charges are accumulated at the sphere. So more number of positive charges are accumulated in the sphere. Understand? More number of positive charge accumulated in the sphere. So large potential difference. We know that what is that? 10 power 7 voltage is accumulating. Okay, so we can't store charges beyond this limit because the extra charge starts to leakage due to that is some surrounding ionized air. Okay, if we reduce this leakage of charge, the machine is placed in a gas filled steel chamber. At a very high pressure. Okay, this high voltage produces by the Van de Graaff generator is used to accelerate positive ions for nuclear disintegration. Positive ions for nuclear disintegrations, and it is used for many application oriented. Okay, so this question is very important, students. Please understand the concept and draw the diagram. It should be help you for getting more marks in this unit. So thank you students, have a nice day.